Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make the whiskey sour cocktail. This will consist of 4 ingredients. Some whiskey, I'm using bourbon, 4 roses bourbon today, some lemon juice, simple syrup, and a bit of egg white. First you'll add 3 parts of whiskey, 2 parts lemon juice, 1 part simple syrup, and the egg white. Then you want to dry shake it before adding the ice. This means,
what is a dry shake?
This means shaking it without any ice. So dry shake it first to get the froth going.
Oh.
Oops. Next you'll add the ice and shake again. Ladies and gentlemen, the whiskey sour. I hope this video was informative, and I'll see you again next time. Cheers.